Welcome to this tutorial. How to update Instagram Messenger. Gone are the days of toggling between apps to chat with your Facebook friends. Thanks to an Instagram update, you can now unlock a whole new world of possibilities by upgrading to Facebook Messenger features within the Instagram app itself. So, if you're itching to explore all the latest updates, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to update your Instagram Messenger without any ado. And trust me, it's super easy. If you are not logged in on your Instagram account, then type your username or email in the first box. Enter your Instagram password in the second box, and then tap on the login button. At the bottom right, tap on your profile icon. Click on the menu icon at the top right. From the drop-down list, tap on the Settings and Privacy option. Tap on the OK button. Scroll up the Settings and Privacy option if you don't find or missing the Messenger Update option. This means you have to take help from the Instagram team. To do so, scroll to the More Info and Support section. Tap on the Help option. Now tap on the first option of Report a Problem. Tap on the Report Problem without shaking. In the next screen, tap on the Include and Continue button. Write your message that you are not able to update your Instagram Messenger, as you are not able to find any option for updating it. You can also upload or attach a screenshot of your Instagram app. Once you are ready to send your message, then tap on Send at the top right. Wasn't that easy? Have a nice day. Please subscribe to our channel.